Namaskaram. A warm greeting to you as we begin this new day together. Today, June 29th, 2025, a day brimming with potential and possibilities. We're not here to predict your future with absolute certainty or to offer rigid prophecies. Instead, our aim is to offer a fresh perspective, a new lens through which to view the energies that are subtly shaping your day and influencing your path. Think of this as a weather report, not for the skies above, but for your inner world, the landscape of your emotions, thoughts, and spirit. This is about helping you prepare for the day ahead, to be more mindful and responsive, not to rigidly control every outcome. Remember, Indian astrology and numerology are ancient tools, time-tested systems of understanding, but they are not inflexible rules etched in stone. They reveal underlying patterns, potential challenges, and hidden opportunities, offering insights into possibilities, not dictating unchangeable certainties. The real power, the true agency, ultimately lies with you in your choices and actions. These insights are here to enhance your self-awareness, to illuminate your path, not to dictate your choices or limit your freedom. Imagine your life as a ship embarking on a voyage across the vast ocean of time. Astrology and numerology are your compass, guiding you with direction, and your weather report, alerting you to potential storms or calm seas ahead. But remember, you're the captain of your ship, the master of your fate. Use this knowledge to navigate wisely through the waters of life, to anticipate challenges, avoid unnecessary struggles, and to harness favorable winds, capitalizing on opportunities that align with your goals. The journey and the ultimate destination are yours, and yours alone, to choose and define. Let today's guidance be a source of support and encouragement, a helping hand, not a crutch to lean on. Ultimately, remember that you are the architect of your own destiny, the sculptor of your own life. Today, the moon finds its home in Cancer, a deeply emotional and intuitive placement. This celestial alignment is known for amplifying emotional sensitivity, making us more attuned to our feelings and the feelings of those around us. It also stirs a longing for comfort, security, and deep connection with loved ones. It's a time when we crave the familiar and seek solace in our relationships. You may feel more reflective, drawn to introspection and nurturing both towards yourself and others. It's important to honor these feelings, allowing yourself to experience them fully, but also to observe them with gentle awareness, without getting carried away. Numerologically, June 29th reduces to the master number 11, a powerful number associated with spiritual awakening and enlightenment. This heightens intuition and spiritual insight, encouraging us to look beyond the surface and connect with our higher selves. Further reduced, the number 11 becomes 2, echoing the moon's energy, emphasizing partnership, harmony, and sensitivity in our interactions with others. Adding all digits of today's date gives us 8, a number that resonates with abundance and material success. This number is ruled by Saturn, bringing discipline and responsibility to our endeavors. The core message here is to balance your heart and intuition, allowing your emotions to inform your decisions, but temper them with practical action and a grounded approach to problem solving. Lead with compassion and understanding, but stay grounded in reality, avoiding emotional extremes. Let your emotional intelligence and empathy guide wise, responsible choices that benefit both yourself and those around you. Today, blend intuition, cooperation, and discipline in all your interactions and activities. This balanced approach will pave the way for meaningful progress and lasting fulfillment. Cancer today brings deep emotional clarity. Trust your intuition and nurture yourself and loved ones. Pisces, creativity and compassion flow easily. Channel your feelings into art or acts of kindness. Scorpio, seek new perspectives. Explore, learn, and connect beyond your comfort zone. For all water signs, emotional intelligence is your strength. Integrate heart and mind for balanced decisions. Cancer, focus on self-care. Pisces, express through creativity. Scorpio, embrace new ideas. Let the water element guide you to peace and understanding. Happy birthday to those born today. You're gifted with deep intuition and compassion. Your strength is your heart. Remember to set healthy boundaries and care for yourself too. Practice conscious detachment. Support others without absorbing their struggles. For anyone facing challenges, remember, every phase is temporary. At work, use diplomacy and seek cooperation. In relationships, lead with empathy. Listen and communicate openly. For financial worries, review your habits and focus on stability. Take one small, responsible step today. Let today's energies help you heal, connect, and move forward. Nurture yourself as you nurture others. As we step into the day, it's important to be mindful of the energies surrounding us. To make the most of today's energies, let's focus on simple actions that can bring balance and harmony. First and foremost, do connect with loved ones. Nurture those relationships that bring you joy and support. A simple conversation or a heartfelt hug can make a world of difference. And remember to trust your intuition. Listen to that inner voice that guides you, especially when faced with decisions or uncertainties. It often knows best. Engage in comforting activities, things that soothe your soul and bring you a sense of peace. Cook a delicious meal, tidy your living space to create a more serene environment. Listen to music that uplifts your spirit, or spend time in nature, breathing in the fresh air and connecting with the earth. Express your feelings constructively, whether through writing, talking, or creative expression. And most importantly, show compassion to yourself and others. Be kind, understanding, and forgiving. Care for your physical well-being. It's the foundation for everything else. Get enough rest, eat well with nutritious foods, and hydrate your body with plenty of water. Don't take things too personally. Remember that everyone is on their own journey. And avoid making impulsive decisions, especially with money. Think things through carefully. Avoid isolating yourself. Human connection is vital for our well-being. Reach out if you need support. Don't be afraid to ask for help when you're struggling. Balance nurturing activities with productivity. Find a rhythm that works for you. Fulfill your responsibilities, but don't let them consume you. Let go of past hurts. Holding on to them only weighs you down. Focus on the present moment, savoring each experience as it unfolds. Flow with the day's energy, adapting to whatever comes your way. Embrace the potential for peace and quiet accomplishment that each day holds. Remember, small mindful actions, performed with intention, can transform your day and create a ripple effect of positivity in your life. Remember, astrology and numerology are guides, not rules. Your life is your own creation. Use these insights to support, not replace your judgment. The universe is always in motion. You are part of its dance. If today's advice resonates, use it. If not, let it go. Walk through this day with an open heart and clear mind. Be sensitive but strong, intuitive but practical. Stay aware of your thoughts, emotions, and actions. In this awareness, you'll find freedom and grace. The greatest fortune is living each moment fully. May your day be filled with clarity, joy, and conscious choice.